Hey, what's up, guys? It's Josh here with HeadFlood, and today we're going to do another weekly business review where I go through these little cards. I get them in my mailbox a couple times a week, a couple times a year. And I want to see what kind of visibility these businesses are showing up for. What kind, are they showing up on Google? What's going on? So stick around and be right back. All right, so first thing we always do is search their brand, and you can tell that they're running some Google ads here. I also looked in incognito real quick, and then they are showing up Google guaranteed ads, which is a connection with your Google Business Place or Google Business Profile and your Google Ads account, and it goes into local service ads. They're called local service ads, and you need proof of insurance, business identification, background check, business license, and all that. So you have to go through quite a process to become verified for local service ads, but they're great. I highly recommend it to any business owner that can qualify for that. So it looks like they're doing some ads here for the brand, which is good. They have a website, very good. Look at this, Google Business Profile, 5 stars, 162 reviews. That's awesome. This is a no-brainer. These guys are making it happen. Let's take a look at their website here. And fancy, a little bit outdated. UX is definitely outdated UX. They could use an uplift there. I like the map. It's not bad. Let me just see what kind of let's see what's going on here for their content. Shasta Garage Doors and Repair, based in Redding, California. So that's a pretty weak optimization for the title, and then this is too long here for the description. 1H1, so that's good. Garage door installation repair, so that's good. Google's probably picking that up. Let's just see what their visibility looks like here in Ahrefs. And you can see traffic is pretty weak, and domains are pretty weak as well. But it looks like they are getting some traffic, and it is Redding. It's only 100,000 people in this city, and it's garage doors. But you'd think that they would be getting more traffic here. This is not good. Like, you're getting 3 spots. You can see this is the 1 through 3 here. I'll disconnect this here, and then you can just see these are when these, the pages start ranking in the top 3. So that's unfortunate. This to me tells me that there is a UX outdate. There's some trust signals going on here, or really, there's probably some competitors here locally that are just doing a better job with the user experience, and so when people visit those websites, they're staying a lot longer, and so these would be his competitors. Don't have time to get into those right now. They are paying for traffic, so I can see, let's see here, their paid keywords traffic. So those are some interesting keywords. Thousand Oaks garage door repair, very interesting keywords to pay for. It looks like it seems like you could actually rank for those keywords and not have to pay for those. And the click-through rates and time in site would be a lot higher for non-ad based clicks from search. Let's look at the traffic here. Looks like, so top keywords, garage door repair Redding. So they're really only ranking for 1 or 2 variable keywords, and really, like, man, there's a lot of opportunity here. So look at this. I'm going to look at this again. So this is not optimized. Residential door, garage door, and repair and installation. This is too long. At least it's got some keywords in it, though. And then the first heading is not an H1, unfortunately. So, yeah, this website definitely needs an update. It is sitting on a gold mine. If you have a brand and you're able to pull in this kind of reviews, my hunch is that their Facebook page is pretty active, and they're probably getting a lot of business off Nextdoor and Yelp. You can see just very happy clients. But yeah, I would say for a business like this they're getting this many reviews, and it's obvious to me that they're not getting a lot of traffic because their website's not optimized. And there's just a ton of review room here for optimization. They only have 1 page, really 2 pages, like core service pages, which is fine. It's in Redding. I doubt that the competitors have mega big websites. So in comparison to under that assumption, that's probably fine. They could deal with some create some local service pages here and do a lot better. They're sitting on a gold mine. They're a UX update and then just a complete sweep with their structure, their on page, maybe find some deficiencies in their content versus their competitors, maybe look into their backlinks and see what kind of quality backlinks they have. But this is an obvious gold mine sitting here just ready to rock. Any SEO could come in here and just really push their rankings up and really grow their business.